Hello everybody, how you doing? Hope you're doing well, looking after yourself, etc, etc, blah blah blah. Wait, thank you. Well, after last week's video with Darren Spears coming to the rescue, etc etc, and what an absolutely fantastic guy he is, a great service, always willing to help. I found this week I've had to call on him again. I don't know if the mic will pick it up, but there's a bit of a clonky noise coming from the front of the bike, which I thought might have been the bearing when I was on my way home last night. No, it's not going to do it now. Anyway, there was a bit of a noise coming from the front of the bike when I went over the bumps, and I thought, oh fuck me, don't tell me that's the bearing, front wheel bearing is gone. If it had been the front bearing, that would have been the third one in 4 years. No, yeah, it would have been the third. I've had it changed twice. Probably mainly due to the absolute weight of the bike and maybe the way I ride. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, so I thought, oh, maybe it's that again. Not a big issue. Darren can pop that out and do that. So this happened just round the corner from my home. So when I got home, I went round the front of the bike and had a look, and lo and behold, there was fork oil absolutely everywhere, down the left hand side and a bit on the right. So it looks like I've blown a fork seal. So straight on the phone to Darren. Looks like both might have gone anyway, so straight on the phone to Darren. Darren, help. And as usual, Darren was as accommodating as he can be. He said, oh fucking hell, what now? And we're now on our way down to meet him for 8 o'clock when he gets to work. So I might put some pictures up if we manage to get it done, if he has the fork seals in. If not, I'm not actually sure what I'm going to do, because I don't fancy riding a bike with blown fork seals. Now, they might have been leaking beforehand. I didn't notice it at the weekend when I give it a wash that there was anything there. But I think it was probably, what's today, Thursday, so it was probably around about Tuesday. I thought the front suspension was a bit soft, but I didn't know, perhaps that's something to do with the weather, where it warmed up a bit, or you know, something along those lines. So, ooh, biker, see if we can catch him with me leaky forks. So anyway, yeah, I wasn't sure, and then of course Wednesday night on the way home, or when I get home, I discovered exactly what's what. So yippee, we're off the way to Darren's to see if Darren can give us a hand again. God bless him. So we'll continue this video later. If you ever come to, hello again, welcome back. Right, if you ever come to Darren's, the entrance to the industrial estate is on the B489, which is the Dagnall Road, Dunstable. If you're coming from Dunstable, you'll be coming from the other direction, that way. I'm coming from the Dagnall direction, so, and you're looking at for this here, just on the right hand side there, Icknield Way Farm Business Park. Icknield Way Farm Business Park. Now there's a lot of units here, so you might not be able to find him first time. So when you come in, obviously all the way to the end here, we're going to go left. There is Tom's Cafe just over there. They do a very nice bacon roll. So we're doing left and right, and Darren's will be on the left, about halfway up. Oh, he's probably not here yet, or he might be here, who knows. There's his van. And this is HBBMotorcycles, and he's not here yet, so we shall park up and wait for him. Okay, hell. No prisoners there. Morning, mate.